Hello again, my friends. This is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. I'm back at the park at this beautiful reserve in Melbourne, Australia. And I was only looking for sick or dead trees. So the way I figure, this park is approximately, I don't know, 2 or 3 square kilometers, and in this relatively vast area of trees, I've only found 3 sick trees. Actually, 2 dead ones and 1 that seems to be getting sick. This one over here. Chances are that this tree will get really sick in a few weeks or months, and it'll die for sure. It'll dry up and die. Now, if we ask an expert in trees, I don't know the term, if we could actually ask that person and, you know, to try to find out, I mean, what's going on with this tree. I mean, that person, he or she, would tell us, hey, well, this is normal in nature, things get sick and die, and the name of the disease that we see on this tree is such and such. Yeah, sure, that's no problem. What they don't know is the real cause of disease being activated on living matter, in this case a tree. And these energies, or geopathic energies, will literally activate the genetic structure of a tree, of a person, in a very bad way. That's why we call them geopathic. Negative energies that come from earth, from the ground. Let's continue having a look around, see what else we can find. On another video I talked about this particular tree, dead tree, and the other one following the same line of sight, that one over there. So in this very vast park reserve with beautiful eucalyptus trees, gum trees as they call them here in Australia, I've only been able to find 2 dead trees and a sick one. So amongst maybe hundreds of trees, I've only found 3 that can actually deserve some attention. So you can get to you know, the conclusion that finding geopathies in nature is not a common occurrence. It's not something that it is easily found all the time, but when you find them, And for example, in this case of this tree and the other one I just showed you, the geopathies have a tendency to be very bad, for real, and they kill everything in their path, without a doubt. So let's say, for example, that we had a house located where that tree is. Let's say on the same exact spot of a bedroom. What do you think it will happen in a matter of, I don't know, months, maybe years, to the person or people sleeping or living on top of that thing? I can really tell you that the energy coming from a geopathic zone as this one can be deadly to human beings and to trees. As you can see, this thing is completely dead. Something to think about for sure. Then again, not everything is bad or negative, or as I call it, anti-life. The thing is that today I'm only looking for, geopathies, negative stuff that can actually have a very bad impact on life, on people. Maybe on another video I'm gonna try to find areas with positive energies, which are exactly the opposite of geopathies. Areas where you can actually gain good health and, I guess, charge up your battery, your human battery. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you on my next video.